Hello, Devin here, Airstream Buffalo. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about this one today. This is going to be a 2026 Airstream Basecamp 20XE. This is going to be the boondocker's dream. It takes all of the battery setup and all of the electrical systems of the Tradewind, and it puts it into the most versatile trailer that Airstream makes, the Basecamp. Okay, so it's small, lightweight, nimble, maneuverable, and it gives you all of the power and ability to go wherever you want, whenever you want. So follow me. We're going to do a quick little tour on the outside, quick little tour on the inside. If you have any more questions, give me a call. My number is 716-748-5565. That's my personal cell, so don't abuse it. Call me if you need anything. Take a peek. So on the outside, first thing you're going to notice is these absolutely massive Goodyear Wrangler tires. Plenty of traction, plenty of flotation whenever you're going off-road, if you want to take this on the beach or anything like that. Custom black aluminum wheels. Really nice. It's sharp. It looks amazing. On the outside here, you do have an outdoor shower, hot and cold water. So whenever you are out in the middle of nowhere, if you want to shower outside, you can shower outside. If you want to clean your gear, you can clean your gear. Coming around the back, you do start to have the taper of everything. So underneath, inside this back hatch, you do have a little bit of extra storage. That is wet storage in the sense that it has a drain plug. So the drain plug's right here in the back. If you want to use it as an ice chest, you can use it as an ice chest. If you want to use it for, just storing wet gear, you could store it for wet gear. It's all up to you. Nice little whiteboard here. Tell your friends where you're going. You do have the ability to take this down, right? All of the covers over the windows are going to be this really, really durable material, blackout material. So you're going to be able to have absolute darkness on the inside if you are like me and you like to sleep in a little bit late. Moving around the other side here on the Basecamp, you do still have the smart plug system that's going to allow you to have Starlink, right? You're going to be able to have city water. You're going to be able to clean your black tank, and you're going to be able to fill up your tanks if you're going off grid. I always do talk about the taper on the Basecamp. That's kind of the design of it. So it's going to come up. You do have stabilizer jacks. You have skid plates right here. So if you are going off the beaten path, you don't have to worry about tearing anything off from underneath. Again, this is going to be a 3-inch lift compared to the traditional Basecamp. Exterior storage with the ability to lock it with like a master lock. So you keep all your goodies there that you don't want stolen. A light right there for, doing any sewage operations at night. Get this closed up. And of course, this is where you actually put your power into if you are hooked up at a campground. You'll see that nice blue light right there. That just means that the power's good. Again, smart plug, 20% more metal-to-metal contact. It's way easier to control. So as we're coming around to the front, first thing you're going to notice is this amazing showstopper. I love the way that they did it. This is going to be the rock guard, but it's black, it's rhino lined. It gives itself texture. It gives the Basecamp a modern look, even though it already looks like a spaceship. If you wanted to stand out even a little bit more, black rock guards, rhino lined. You do, of course, have that motorcycle visor material to keep all of the rocks and chips away from the glass itself. I do want to talk about the propane shroud, though. It's a lot better of a design, if you ask me. They redesigned it so you have access to the propane tank from the side. You're still going to have your storage up top as well for all your goodies. It's a good spot to put your power cord. Completely redesigned up front. As we get inside here, just give me a second as I open up the door. You're still going to have the same floor plan as the 20X. So the floor plan that we know and love on the 20X, it gives you all that space, gives you the dinette, gives you the kitchen, gives you the sleeping space. It's still completely usable and functional. So coming inside, first thing we're going to have here, induction cooktop in the kitchen area. So you're going to be able to use any induction cooktop pans. Looking around, obviously it is a little bit different. All of your overhead cabinetry and cargo space is going to be powder coated black. It just looks sharp, it's modern. You do still have a huge deep sink. right? With that sink, you do have the sprayer that is completely pull out. You have all of this extra cabinet space, and of course your silverware storage, but all of the glass front doors, right? Frosted black doors, they look good. Under storage, you're also going to have storage right there for your poles whenever you're bringing the bed down. Keeps it out of the way. Inside here, we have the bathroom. Inside this wet bathroom, you do have a dryer line for your towels that go across. Toilet, that is going to have a black tank. Nothing Airstream makes is going to have a cassette toilet. Fully adjustable sprayer. So, I mean, we've talked about it before. I'm 6 foot tall, right? This bathroom is a usable space for me. I can actually shower. You know, I can move around still in here. It's got plenty of area and hooks for your scrunchies or anything like that that you want to hang. It has an L track here in the ceiling as well if you just want to use this for extra storage room, right? So this L track, you're going to be able to get different attachments for just cargo and things like that. And it's got a window, right? It just loosens it up. You know, really nice. Moving down into the back, we are coming to the lounge area, the garage area, the bedroom area, whatever you want to call it. It's a catch-all. The Basecamp is designed to do whatever you want to do with it. So it's a lounge. These puck systems here, you can have 2 tables that go into there. You can also, it turns into almost a king-size bed in the back here. You do have a screen that'll come down if you wanted to leave all of the windows open, and just have some really nice cross breeze that comes through. And those are all snapped. They'll snap into the door there, keep all the bugs out. Back in here, again, this has the same power system that the Basecamp, or that the Tradewind has. So you're getting 600 watts of solar. You're getting 810 amp hours of lithium batteries underneath, and you're gonna have a 3,000 watt inverter, right? So the first time that an inverter was offered on a stock Basecamp, it's awesome. You do have an upgraded JBL stereo system as well, which is really nice. You're gonna be able to control, you know, and see what your battery percentages are at, your fresh water, your black, your gray. It's where you turn your water pump on. Your Truma, you're gonna have on-demand hot water, so you're gonna be able to set exactly what you want when it comes to water temperature. The Victron energy system, which of course is not on right now, that's gonna be where you're gonna control and see what's going on with your battery state, how much charge you have, how much usage you have, how much solar is coming in. Everything's gonna be controlled right off of that panel. So very user-friendly, very intuitive. It gives you a really good idea of kind of what you have left, right? If it's cloudy, all of that you can kind of see right there. As we're walking past, I didn't talk about it. We kind of skipped through it. But again, that dinette that the 20X has is incredible. As you can see, any number of people can sit here, 4 people. But you can move this table around for access to get in and out easily. This does turn into a bed as well. You have plenty of storage underneath as well. If I'm missing something, I apologize. I'm, again, doing a really quick tour of this. But last thing I want to talk about is, you know, your fridge. You do have a nice size fridge with a freezer combo up top. You also have the contour microwave. I apologize, but it just came from the factory, so I still have some stuff in there. More storage as well. Just, you know, everything that you could ask for in such a small, maneuverable trailer. You're going to have plenty of storage for all of the gear that you're going to be able to take with you. If you have any other questions specifically, I know I said it at the beginning of the video, but give me a call. I'll more than happily talk to you, answer any of your questions, schedule an appointment for you to come in and see it. Again, though, 716-748-5565. Appreciate your time. Thanks.